Hello again, dear Stockler bidding community. We are back with a new lot from the seller Grover. Seller Grover, whom you know well on the platform, the European leader in high-tech rentals, all types of quality subcategories. Today we are here for a lot of functional used MacBooks, functional used, I remind you, all products are 100% functional and may show some signs of wear or marks on the aesthetic part of the product. So we are here today for a lot of MacBooks, a great lot of MacBooks featuring different types of MacBooks, including very recent models that can be 16-inch M3, M2, M1, also 14-inch Pro, Max. Really, we are dealing with products of very high value and therefore also for resale. I suggest we look together, for example, at a computer here packaged in its box, not the original one, as it is functional used. This one, in principle, includes its charging accessories, namely the base and the cable present here. Indeed, we find the base and the cable inside. And so we see, in principle, some slight marks, but really almost not visible to the naked eye on the computer. Here we have a MacBook Pro, if I'm not mistaken, 16 inches, so really a great product. And there you go, as we see inside, it turns on, so it's beautiful. And as we can see, the product is almost perfect. There are no visible marks, at least not to the naked eye. So there you go. We find a certain number of MacBooks, right, all supposedly in perfect condition and their packaging. So on the aesthetic side, I really invite you to take a look. There's 16-inch Pro, 14-inch Pro, M3, M2, M1, so really great products. I invite you to also look at the auction description where you will find all the products present in each lot. Here we have other examples of MacBook, so MacBook Air, other MacBook Pro. Here we have one that still had some battery, so we could turn it on. Well, we can't change the brightness because we don't have access, but there you go, all the products are really in perfect condition. The products show very few signs of wear or stains, so there you go, they are really nice, functional, used products. I repeat, some products have their battery chargers, some will not. I really encourage you to look at the product details to make your estimates and place your bids. You can request a shipping quote. The stock is located in Lers, in the north of France, so don't hesitate, place your bids. The operation is there until the end of the year.
Afterwards, it will be too late. See you soon.